Good morning, team. Justin here. Hope you're having a really good day today. The sign-up bonus, the highest sign-up bonus for any no annual fee card is about to expire. The Chase Ink Cash and the Chase Ink Unlimited, they have sign-up bonuses right now of 90,000 points. And that's set to expire soon because when you go to the Chase website, on the little sign-up page, says offer expires soon. Now, we don't exactly know when this offer expires or what the next sign-up bonus will be. It'll probably be about 60,000 points. Not sure on that, but it'll definitely be less than 90,000 points. 90,000 points is a really good sign-up bonus, especially when you consider the Chase Sapphire Preferred and the Chase Sapphire Reserve. They have sign-up bonuses of about 60,000 points. And the Chase Sapphire Reserve has an annual fee of $550 when the Chase Ink Cash and the Chase Ink Unlimited have annual fees of $0. So that is a lot of points for a card with no annual fee. And the reason this is because these are technically business cards. And since they are business cards, they do have higher minimum spend to meet that higher sign-up bonus. The minimum spend on the Ink Cash and the Ink Unlimited is $6,000 in 3 months. That's $2,000 a month. And the reasoning is that these are business cards, so you should probably have some sort of business expenses that go along with running your business. But there are two silver linings in this idea of being business cards. One is there's a very loose definition of business. It doesn't need to be some sort of machine shop or coffee shop or something like that. It can be something like, just starting a blog, running a YouTube channel, freelancing in some sort of service, or selling some little widgets on Etsy. Some sort of little side hustle that you do expect to make you some money should count as a business. And then when it comes to the minimum spend, there's no actual way to define what counts as business spend on this card. So you can put your spending as you normally would onto this card. You can put your groceries and your gas and your home bills on a business card. And there's no way to actually tell that this is not business spend because even real businesses, they do things, they buy groceries. If you have some sort of restaurant or cafe, you do buy groceries. Or you do buy coffee, you buy gas for the company vehicle, and you buy decorations and things for the office. So there's no way to actually tell what's not what is or isn't a legitimate business spend. So you can just put whatever you want on there. If you are thinking about getting one of these two cards, which card should you get? First, we'll start off with the Ink Unlimited. And this is pretty similar, pretty much the same thing as the Chase Freedom Unlimited that earns 1.5% cash back on everything. The only difference between the two cards is that the Freedom Unlimited has a couple special little categories like 3x on dining and drugstores, where the Business Unlimited, the Ink Unlimited, doesn't have those categories. And the sign-up bonus on Freedom Unlimited is going to be a little different, where you can earn extra points on different categories like that too, where the Ink Unlimited sign-up bonus is just that simple 90,000 points after spending $6,000 in 3 months, which is much higher than the Freedom Unlimited. But they both do have no annual fees. But downside of that is they do come with foreign transaction fees. But these two cards are pretty interchangeable, and there's really not much difference between the two. Then you have the Chase Ink Cash. And this is kind of similar to the Freedom Flex, where it does have some 5x categories. You're going to earn 5% back on office supply stores like Office Depot and Office Max, and then 5% back on internet, phone, and cable. On the surface, that doesn't sound too exciting, but people really love the ability to use that 5% cash back at office supply stores to help rack up points. And then they also have 2% cash back at gas stations and restaurants. With the 2% back at restaurants and gas stations and the 5% on office supply stores, should be able to earn a whole lot of points with this card. And this too is a no annual fee card, but it is going to have some foreign transaction fees, and it is a great complement to the Chase Trifecta. It does say on the website, and these are advertised as cash back cards, but that's the same thing as the Freedom Flex and the Freedom Unlimited, where they are advertised as cash back cards, but you can transfer the points from this card to a premium card like the Chase Sapphire Preferred, Chase Sapphire Reserve, or the Ink Preferred, and turn that cash back point into a ultimate reward point, and voila, you got some ultimate reward point earning cards. Now, 90,000 points is a good amount of points, but what can you do with it? To get some real good value out of these points, you could transfer them to Hyatt. And then with those points, you could stay at the Park Hyatt Tokyo. This hotel will cost you about 30,000 Hyatt points a night. So you could stay here 3 nights, and usually that would cost you about $800 a night. So your 90,000 points are going to give you a value of $2,400. Another option you could do is stay in Paris at the Hotel du Louvre. No idea how to say that, I'm sorry. But this will cost you 29,000 Hyatt points, so you have 3 nights stay there. Usually this will cost you about $700 US a night, giving your 3 nights a value of $2,100. Or if you want to step it up a bit more, you could stay at the Park Hyatt Paris, the Vendôme, and this is going to cost you 45,000 points. So you get 2 nights stay here, and each night is going to cost you $1,500, giving your 2 nights stay a value of $3,000. So those are a couple great examples of how you can get a lot of value out of these points. And of course, you could always kind of just stay at a lower cost hotel for longer. Stay at category 2, 3 hotels, and stay 4, 5, or 6 nights if that's what you want to do. You don't want to splurge on those big once-in-a-lifetime kind of stays. So if you are looking to get a whole bunch of Chase Ultimate Reward points and get one of these really handy credit cards, the Chase Ink Cash or the Chase Ink Unlimited, you better hurry up because this offer is going to end soon. If you get any value out of this video, really appreciate a thumbs up, really appreciate you subscribing to the channel. Then want you to go have a good day, all right? Justin out.